Hey everyone, how's it going? So, what am I working on now? Well, I got that Honda Odyssey, and I put the cat in it, I put a new radiator in it, put a Koyo radiator in it. Actually, pretty good product. I've been using them for years, they've been around for years. Probably the best of the aftermarket radiators as far as I'm concerned for the general all-around repairs and stuff like that. And of course, you can get, custom-made radiators and stuff like this, but Koyo is probably one of the better ones out there. So anyway, got the new cat in, got the new O2s in, got the radiator in. Let's start it up, see what she sounds like. All right, sounds good. Here you can see the top of the new radiator. And kind of hard to see, but you can see the new O2 sensor there. Very hard to see. I also put new plugs in it. So, all right, let's take it for a ride, see how she does. Like I said, there could be other issues too, I just don't know yet. I just had to start there. So, all right, let me get it off the lift and take it for a ride. All right, so let's go up the road and see what she does. First, second. Nothing wrong with the transmission. I'm just curious, how would the other shop justify that? Let's say the customer actually went for a $12,000 transmission. And obviously they put the transmission in and it didn't fix anything. Then what do they do? How do they justify that? How do they come back to the customer and say, oh, well, now you need a cat? I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get other shops. This thing has broken motor mounts. That's going to be the next step. We wanted to get it running right first. It runs fine. Transmission feels great. I'm going to go for a little bit of an extended road test just to make sure everything's fine with the transmission. And and once that's done, then we do have the okay to put the motor mounts in too. Once we verified that this was the problem, I was pretty confident it was going to be the problem because it felt like it couldn't breathe. I mean, a couple things could do that. It could be well, like I said, plugged exhaust. It could be that, which it was on this. It could be very lean fuel mixture. Could do that, because it's just not enough fuel to power it. A restricted intake could do that too. Timing being off, like if it jumped to time on the time belt. But on that, you would think that maybe it would set codes. But I have seen where timing has jumped and it did not set any codes. So. There's different possibilities, but this just felt like, it just wasn't breathing. And, this all comes from experience. Like I said, I've been doing this for 40 years now, professionally. So it kind of comes from experience. But, I'm not right every time. Nobody's going to be right 100% of the time. It's just what happens. So, but I was right this time. So, yay me. All right, so just going to continue down the road here a little bit. And go through the industrial park that I usually drive through because it's a lot of stop and go and it's not as heavy a traffic as this main road that I'm on right now because our shop is on a main road, so sometimes it's a pain in the neck when you got to road test something. Yeah, all right, I'm rambling. I know I'm rambling, but I think some of you like my rambling. I think my wife actually likes my rambling. Fun. I just find it funny. All right. That's it, guys. Hope you guys had a great day. Hope you got something out of my video. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe.